Make a frown smile. What if you could offer a payment plan to your customers who can't or choose not to get traditional bank financing, or maybe just need a little extra time to pay an unexpected bill? Introducing ARC90, a no-credit check, income-based payment plan that gives your customers up to 180 days to pay and guarantees funding so that you get paid even if they default. Go ahead, pinch yourself, it's true. Your funds are guaranteed. ARC90 is as easy as 1, 2. Forget 3, it isn't even necessary. Step 1. Complete the application. Use the spending calculator to determine your customer's purchasing limit. Then enter the customer's information, sale amount, and banking details. Select the payment plan options and print the contract. Step 2. Submit the application. Fax or email the contract with a copy of the customer's check, driver's license, pay stub, and bank statement. Approval takes just minutes. And because ARC90 works over the internet, no special equipment is needed. Your customer leaves with a smile, and you sleep like a baby dreaming of more sales. A simple application, fast online authorizations, and guaranteed funding make ARC90 an easy choice for creating loyal customers and new ones too. Contact us today for a smile.